how to log into your Manulife account. Whether you're trying to log into their banking service, their investments, or the insurance service, this is how you can log into it. First of all, open any web browser you have on your PC. For now, I'm just going to use the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, type in manulife.ca. Once you search for this, it will take you to the official website of Manulife, and as you can see, now I'm in the website. At the top right, you can find an option to sign in. Just click on it, and once you click on it, as I've mentioned before, here are many plans here. Whether you're trying to log into the group plan, insurance, or investments, or even their banking service, you can sign in from right here. For instance, let's say if you want to log into their insurance service, just click on sign in. This will open up another tab and take you to the login portal. And once you are in their login portal, you can just set your username and your password right here. So once you enter your username and password, simply click on sign in and you will be signed in to their account. If you don't have an account, you can set up your ID from right here. You can sign up right here, and if you forgot your username and your password, you can recover from right here. If you forgot your username, click this, and this will take you to your recovery portal. And if you forgot your password, just click right here. You can recover it from here. And lastly, if you don't want to enter your username and password every time, you just check this box that says remember username, and this will save your login info so that it will be easier for you to log in after you have used it once and you want to use it once again. So that's how you basically log into the Manulife ID. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.